welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing to shop our stash. The palette that won for this week as a demo is Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction, but with a twist. So if you're interested in seeing what I do with my Shop My Stash products this week, just keep watching. Okay guys, so thank you so much for clicking on my video. I have already done my complexion, as you can see, so it's not going to be a demo like last week. I did do my complexion with all of my Shop My Stash products, so I'll list the ones that I used this week down below. But what I thought that I would do this week for Shop My Stash is I would actually try two very trendy viral makeup trends that are going on right now all over the beauty community, and just try them with my Shop My Stash products. A big thing about shopping your stash is that you don't have to feel the need to go out and buy something new based on what you're seeing, trends, hacks, whatever you're seeing out there that you want to try or that you like. So instead of feeling the FOMO that sometimes I feel when I see new makeup trends emerge, I looked at my stash, and the palette that won based on your answers from last week for this week's demo was Mothership 5's Bronze Seduction, and I thought, you know what? I can make it work. Like, I guess let's just do this. So as you saw in the title, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be trying the reverse cat eye viral makeup trend that's happening out there. And then I'm also going to be trying like a nude ombre pink center lip that Nikki Tutorials kind of made go viral. So let's go ahead and use the goodies from our Shop My Stash and put this look together. During the video, if you like what you see, give me a like, make sure and subscribe for more Shop My Stash videos. I also do new makeup reviews. I also do Friday night live streams, which I call Makeup and Chill, where we just kind of talk about makeup and chill. Sometimes we introduce other creators, makeup brands come on my channel, so it's a lot of fun. So definitely consider subscribing. In addition to that, go say hi on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll connect there. All right, so as I started researching for this video, I found Painted by Spencer, which is the makeup artist that made this trend go viral on TikTok. I don't follow him on TikTok, and I found it on YouTube, and I immediately subscribed because I had never heard about him, and now I'm like obsessed with him. I really like his very chill personality and the way that he teaches, and he's still like super real, so I really like that. I will link his channel down below so that if you're interested, you can go give it a look. Okay, so essentially the reverse cat eye is where we're going to keep most of the drama on the bottom portion of the eye. This is especially very helpful for people like me with hooded lids. We're going to keep most of the definition down on the bottom. I don't really have a lot of space or a lot of real estate at the top, so this to me seems like a good idea. I also have almond shaped eyes, so I've always felt in general like putting the black eyeliner in the waterline or just deeper into the inner corner kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit more, so that's why I kind of wanted to try it. All right, so using our Mothership 5, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my Refer number 1. This is just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go ahead and go into this lighter shade here, which is Entrapment. You want something based on your skin tone that will stay neutral, but at the same time, just give a tiny little bit of definition. Let me bring you in a little closer. All right, now that you're all up in my business, let's go ahead and get started. I will just take it and go into the crease area here. Nothing too perfect or too crazy. You know, honestly, it's a very effortless look. And so we want to make sure that we are not too intentional, is what he said in his video, so that it looks flawless. It looks like, you know, very easy, breezy, easy to accomplish type of look. Maybe even just a little messy. So that takes a little bit of pressure off of me, because when I follow tutorials, I like to follow it to the T. And then when it doesn't come out the same, it kind of just stresses me out. All right, I'm going to take from the Lotus Sonia G collection the soft definer brush into the same shade, and I'm just going to very quickly just run it on the lower lash line. Again, don't give it too much thought, just kind of go with it. Okay, so we're there. The next step calls for a black eyeliner, brown eyeliner. Again, just find something that you can smoke out. It doesn't necessarily have to be black and brown. I just thought it went perfect with this week's palette. But since I didn't pick an eyeliner for my Shop My Stash, what I'm going to be using is the Pat McGrath Extreme Black Gel Eyeliner. It's a really great eyeliner and it stays put. You want to go in the waterline. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. And then just kind of smudge it a little bit down here in between your lashes. Just a little bit. I'm going to take my Sephora Pro number 18. It's a soft shader, and I'm going to just smudge it just a little bit to start smoking it out. So that's where we're at. Then I'm going to take the eyeliner and go into the inner corner. I'm really nervous about this part because you're essentially creating like a little reverse wing here at the front part of the eye. I'm not going to be too exact. I'm just going to smudge it a little bit. And that went bad real fast. We'll come back to that. I'll come back with a tighter brush. Next, what we want to do is we want to create the smoke going up, like a tiny little wing here at the end. And one of the tips that he gave was to follow the curve of the eye upward. So I'm taking the eyeliner. I just made like a messy line, and now I'm smudging it out, straightening it out with my brush. Bringing it in just slightly at the top there. You guys see that? All right, I'm gonna work a little bit more on the inner corner there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like an eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to go into the eyeliner and just brush on the product. I want it to be a little more precise, and I'm not getting the precision that I would like. So we'll do it this way and see if it works. So maybe if I wet my brush, I'm just not getting the desired results that I'd like. Take a little Fix Plus. I need a liquid eyeliner. My eyes are just so like tucked away in here that it's hard to get in there. So let's see if this works. This is the Tom Ford Defining Eye Pen. I guess I got a little bit of the shape that I wanted. All right, so now to set the eyeliner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this darker brown here with a Sephora smudge brush, and I'm going to set it and at the same time use it to smoke it out. Now I'm taking again my Sonia G Soft Definer, going back into the lighter brown just to kind of blend everything, make it look a little grungier, a little messier. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Let me go ahead and finish the other eye and then see how it all looks put together. Excuse me, viral TikTok hacks. Who dis? Woohoo! I quite like it now that it's all put together. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Do you think that this looks good on my hooded, slanted eyes? I think it looks okay. It's giving me like very much like Casino Nights type of smoky look, but I've never tried this and I think it was fun to try. So here we go. I think that was easy enough. I'm gonna try it with other colors. Like I really wanna try it with the Nabla Cutie palette in blue, with the blue eyeliner, see how that looks. And then I might wanna do like, maybe a green. Ooh, so we'll see. I'll keep playing with the technique to perfect it, but so far I thought it was easy enough to follow. I think I can sharpen it up just a little bit, especially on the inside, but you know, hey, something new, something different. We're shopping our stash and having fun with makeup. All right, so the next trend that I wanted to try is one that I saw Nikki Tutorials do. The reverse cat eye I had seen all over Instagram, but the lip trend, my sister Eileen sent it to me, so I wanted to try it. Basically what it is, it's a nude lip all the way around. So nude liner, nude lipstick, and then we put a pop of pink on the inside, which I thought was perfect because for my Shop My Stash, what I chose was to use the Alamar Cosmetics Dulce eyeliner, and then I have the Pat McGrath Dream Lover matte lipstick, which are both a very nude combination. But then I also chose a very pink lipstick, which is my Hermes. This is in the shade Rose Nuit. But it's, I think, the perfect pop of pink that we can place on the inside. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I might even like try to overline my lips a little. I don't have the biggest lips, just to give us a little bit more room. I'm picking my son up early from school today to take him to the dentist. They're gonna be looking at me like, who is this and why? All right, so we lined the lips just a little bit. I'll darken it up a little if I need to. I'm gonna do my nude lipstick. This is already a little pinker than I'd like it to be, but again, we're shopping our stash for this one. So I'll deepen it up. All right, so there's our nude lip. Then you take the pink lipstick, Hermes Rose Nuit, and you place it just on the inside here. So you have a pink middle, and then you see her sort of pat everything in. And there we go. It's a nude reverse pink lippy. I don't know. I'm just making up names at this point. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can get a closer look at what I've got going on. And then I'll close out the video. So there is the final look. What do we think? I think it was easy enough to put together. I think I need to work on my reverse cat eye technique just a little bit more. But again, this week was about shopping our stash. You guys wanted to see a different look with the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction. So I wanted to play with that and just have fun with our makeup, you guys. When we see new trends, when we see things that are happening new in the community, that should be for me an indication to stop before I run to buy what's new to create this new look or this new trend, and really look at my stash first and figure it out. Like, can I do it with my current collection? Most of us that are beauty enthusiasts that watch beauty YouTube or beauty content already have some sort of a decent makeup collection. We're definitely gonna have a black eyeshadow in our collection, or a black eyeliner, a smoky brown eyeshadow of some sort, and we can create these really fun little trends and just kind of figure out if it works for us. It's all about having fun. It's all about the makeup. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave those in the comments down below. The last palette that we're gonna look at next week is America's Parks palette. That's the last week of my Shop My Stash. I've actually had a lot of fun. I've experienced less stress not having to choose something new every day and just sticking to my basket. But I'll share more of those thoughts as I wrap up the week and shop my stash again the next time. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Let me know what other type of content you'd like to see. I would love to hear that from you. And I'll see you over on my Instagram and Twitter. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.